It's really unfair to sell in area or small earning people, little earning people. So it's better for us to show our love for our country to buy in traditional shops or traditional store like that. And then the third, to show our love for our country is the president of the United States said, like JFK,
Yeah.
John F. Kennedy say, don't ask what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. That
Masya
is
Allah.
to show our love for our country. So we must think hard and smart the things that we can do to improve our country to be better and start from small things, right? Like you start from yourself, right? And then your family, and then your relatives, your neighbors, and ask them to do good deeds, right? Instead of just asking them do nothing or unimportant activities. So